You ever open your bank account, see like $327 in there, and think, how am I ever supposed to save $5,000?
Like seriously, you try for a whole month, skip eating out, cancel a subscription, and then you check again and it's like, $312.
And you're just sitting there thinking, that's it? Meanwhile, someone you know casually says they've got like $30,000 saved, and you're wondering how you're even living on the same planet.
My name is Oliver, and I spend way too much time thinking about how people actually build wealth in the real world.
If you're someone who struggles to save money, keeps restarting your savings, or feels like no matter what you do, you just can't get ahead, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helped you out. Here's the thing. Most people think saving money is just about discipline. But if that were true, then why do nearly 60% of Americans? Here's what most people don't realize. Saving your first $5,000 is hard because you're fighting three things at once. Low income flexibility?
Let's keep this simple. If you're saving $250 a month, it takes you 20 months to reach $5,000.
That's almost 2 years. No wonder it feels impossible.
But this is where it gets really interesting. It's not just math, it's your brain.
Your brain rewards instant results, not long-term progress. So your sacrifices feel real, but your progress feels invisible.
And eventually, you start thinking, what's the point?
This is why most people get stuck. You save $1,000, then boom, unexpected expense. You try again, and it happens again. That's the reset loop, and that's where most people quit.
But here's what most people don't realize. The moment you hit $5,000, you've already done the hardest part.
Because by then, you've built habits, discipline, and awareness. And that's when things start to change. Now, you might be thinking, how does it suddenly get easier?
Here's the answer. Momentum. Once you're past $5,000, you're no longer starting from zero.
You make better decisions, you save faster, and your confidence grows. It's like pushing a car. Hard at first, but easier once it starts moving. But there's one trap. As your income increases, your lifestyle increases too. Better phone, better food, more spending. And your savings? Still stuck. That's how people stay broke, even with higher income. So here's how you break through. First, automate your savings. Even $100 a week adds up.
Second, create a no reset rule. Once you hit $1,000, don't go below it.
Third, increase your income. Even a small boost makes a huge difference.
Fourth, focus on small goals. $500, then $1,000, then build up. Look, if you're struggling right now, you're not bad with money. You're just in the hardest phase. And once you break through it, saving $10, $20, even $50,000 starts to feel a lot more possible than you think. If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button and subscribe, because I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.